We've been working hard, continuing our shift from a mobile-first to an AI-first world. We understand location data. We try to understand patterns, our cars circling around. We serve over 2 billion translations in many, many languages every single day. At a higher level, in an AI-first world, I believe computers should adapt to how people live their lives. People should be able to interact with computing in a natural and seamless way. Mobile gave us limited context. With identity, your location, we were able to improve the experience significantly. And that applies to important things like security and privacy as well. Today, a lot of us deal with security and privacy by putting the onus back on users. And we are very confident about our approach here because we are at the forefront of driving the shifts with AI. Today, these are handcrafted by machine learning scientists. We want to democratize this. We want to bring this to more people. Our AutoML models are now not only more accurate than the best human-generated models, but they are more resource efficient. It has a lot of practical use cases. The Street View example for Legos works based on object detection.
This is the first generation of hardware made by Google. We're bringing on 2,000 very talented engineers from HTC, along with some important IP. And our products have built up a lot of momentum going into our second year. We're thrilled to announce that there are now 55 million Chromecast devices around the world, the US and Canada. The Assistant has gotten a lot smarter thanks to Google, and a lot more. And Pixel had a great year. As I said last year, the next big innovation will happen at the intersection of AI, software, and hardware. AI and machine learning have helped us to do this across our products. While you're moving throughout the house, your router is intelligently transitioning your devices to the best Wi-Fi point and placing you on the right channel.
We've been investing in voice search for over a decade, which is why we have the best voice recognition in the world. We call it Voice Match. We build a model of your voice by looking at dozens of different voice characteristics. You can use your Google Home to call any landline or mobile number in the US or Canada for free.
The newest member of the Google Home family. So the 4 LED lights under the fabric are there when you need them, lighting up to show you that it hears you or it's thinking. We thought a lot about how to get great sound with such a small product too. Coral, chalk, and charcoal. And
We're adding more routines to help you with those everyday moments, like getting ready to leave for work. The Google Assistant can now voice control over 1,000 different smart home products from over 100 brands. Hey Google, make it warmer.
Okay, warming up the living room.
Your assistant knows what warmer means and will just take care of it for you. So Google and Nest are working together to reimagine the smart home.
Okay, Google, show me the entryway.
Okay, streaming the entryway.
And then I realized, of course, most of us want to know who's at the door before we get off the couch. Nest Hello will be able to recognize the people that you asked it to remember.
Well, fortunately, we've improved our voice recognition accuracy for kids, so the assistant can understand them too. Just like the Pixel reimagined the camera, we'll do the same with sound, with a combination of great hardware and software powered by Google's machine learning capabilities. It allows Max to adapt to you, your environment, your context, your preferences. Well, with Smart Sound, we automatically tune the speaker to correct for this effect. And over time, Smart Sound will automatically adapt the sound to fit your context. And we also support all free and paid Spotify users, along with other top music services. Just use your voice to start playing your favorite tunes. We made your assistant can hear you even when the music is blasting, using our unique microphone placement and Google's neural beamforming technology. So when you change Max's orientation, there aren't any rubber feet where they don't need to be. We thought through every detail, $399. And it'll come in 2 colors, chalk and charcoal. Now, we'll initially launch in the US, with more countries coming early next year.
Meet Google Pixelbook, the high-performance Chromebook. Pixelbook reimagines the laptop experience, the speed, simplicity, and security of Chrome OS. Pixelbook is the thinnest, lightest laptop we've ever made, at just around 10 millimeters thin and a kilogram light. Pixelbook adapts to fit the office, the classroom, movie night, or even a long flight. The 12.3-inch touchscreen display is gorgeously high resolution, with vibrant colors and enough brightness to use outside, even on a sunny day. i7 processors, Pixelbook packs a punch. Plenty of RAM to handle your multitasking needs, and gives you up to 512 gigs of storage. And plugging in for just 15 minutes gives you 2 hours of battery life. We call this instant tethering. Let's take a further look at the software experience inside Pixelbook. It starts up in seconds, stays fast throughout the day, and won't slow down over its lifetime. That's why we created the new Pixelbook Pen, a smart, responsive companion for your Pixelbook. You can circle their photo, and the assistant will give you more information about them. We partnered with the engineers at Wacom, and together we built the fastest, most responsive stylus experience ever. 60 degrees of angular awareness and 2,000 levels of pressure sensitivity. In fact, it's never been easier to put the final touches on your favorite photos in Adobe Lightroom. Pixelbook starts at $9.99.
What if all the information in the world was available to everyone, everywhere? Designed for you with the best of Google built in. And the 6-inch XL, with thoughtful design elements and improvements to the UI throughout. We've added new smart experiences to the camera. The all-aluminum body with a premium hybrid coating gives it a sleek and clean profile. The refined visor is made of sturdy, gently curved colored glass and transitions seamlessly into the metal body. Pixel 2's front-facing stereo speakers are precision-tuned to deliver the perfect balance of volume, clarity, and frequency response. Use your existing analog headphones with the included adapter, or your digital USB-C headphones for the highest resolution audio all the way to your ears. The smaller 5-inch Pixel 2 features a full HD OLED display. The display intelligently selects which specific pixels to turn on, leaving the others perfectly dark for a 100,000 to 1 contrast ratio. Pixel 2 comes in 3 colors, kinda blue, just black, and clearly white. We elegantly curve the glass to bring the display to the edges for a full-screen immersive viewing experience. The screen supports 18:9 QHD plus resolution, 538 pixels per inch for amazing detail. We've integrated a circular polarizer, which lets you enjoy the screen even while wearing sunglasses. The Pixel 2 XL comes in 2 colors, just black and the stylishly simple black and white.
Let me show you the Pixel 2's new always-on display. And if you look closely, you'll notice subtle movements like the waves crashing on the beach. I love that. It stays with you as you swipe across your screens of apps and widgets. As I start typing, I can see web search results at the top, but also contacts and apps from my phone. Just give your Pixel a quick squeeze where your hand naturally holds the phone and ask for whatever you need. Take a selfie. One hand, no buttons. Help me out, front row. We're really proud of how it turned out, and it even works when your phone is in a case. And we've also customized routines specifically from when you're on the go. Okay, Google, let's go home.
Sure, let's go. Your commute home is currently 27 minutes with heavy traffic if you take US 101 south. Here's where you left off in fresh air. Have a safe drive.
I'm Terry Gross with Fresh Air.
You can customize this one based on your preferences. Pixel continues to be the most helpful phone around. If you already have a Pixel, you recently received the Android Oreo update, and we hope you're enjoying all the improvements.
We're super excited to bring a preview of Lens to Pixel phones this year. As you know, the email addresses on them are always so long. Now, you can simply tap on the Lens icon, grab that right information, and fire off that email. This also works for phone numbers, websites, and addresses. With AR stickers, you can express yourself with playful emojis, like these fun food characters here. These interactions make some really interesting moments here.
With Pixel 2, we have reimagined smartphone photography. We're proud to announce that DxOMark has issued Pixel 2 an unprecedented score of 98. Pixel 2 has a 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture rear camera with optical image stabilization. For every photo, we take a burst of shots with short exposure times to avoid blowing out the highlights. This year, we've increased the dynamic range and improved texture and sharpness, and optical image stabilization to reduce blur from shaky hands. You get amazing shots every time, like this. Portrait mode lets you take professional-looking shots with a blurred background to make the foreground pop. Other smartphones do this by combining the images from 2 cameras. Pixel 2 does portrait mode with just 1 camera and machine learning. So it includes a dual pixel sensor technology. This means that each pixel in an image contains a right and a left view. This works on really hard cases, like a busy, colorful background. You can also take portrait selfies through the front camera on both the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL. Other smartphones do optical or digital, but don't do both at the same time. During video recording on a Pixel 2, the OIS hardware actively corrects shake artifacts. The software-based video stabilization uses intelligent frame look-ahead to stabilize the overall video. Pixel 2 users will continue to get free unlimited storage for all of the photos and videos they capture in the highest resolution, including 4K videos and motion photos. The smart and simple Pixel 2 has everything you'd expect from a smartphone, and some things you might not. Most new Pixel users will be able to transfer their stuff from their old phone in less than 10 minutes. Pixel 2, with its 5-inch cinematic display, starts at $649 for the 64GB version. The Pixel 2 XL has a 6-inch full-screen POLED display and starts at $849. You can pre-order starting today. We're including a Google Home Mini with each purchase of a Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL for a limited time in Australia, Canada, Germany, the UK, and the US.
Let's start with the newly updated Google Daydream View. We kept everything from last year that people loved. We also upgraded the lenses and the fabrics, so the headset has our widest field of view yet and is super light and comfortable. We have more than 250 high-quality VR titles, and will be available for $99. Google Pixel Buds, delivering clear highs and deep bass. It all sounds incredible. Just touch and hold the earbud and ask your assistant to play music, send a text, or give walking directions, all while keeping your phone in your pocket. They even give you access to a new real-time translation experience. We're letting you connect with the world around you in a more natural way that provide up to 5 hours of listening time with just 1 charge. And the case holds multiple charges, so you get up to 24 hours of listening time when you're on the go. Pixel Buds are available in clearly white, kinda blue, and just black. $159, and pre-orders begin today. Google Clips. So you'll capture more of those spontaneous smiles, a high-performance lens, a powerful image sensor. It has a shutter button. We reimagined this camera from the inside out, starting with the software and applying machine learning. And it's a hands-free camera, so you can get these amazing new perspectives on your experience and get yourself in the shot. It looks for stable, clear shots of people you know, and you help the camera learn who's important to you. All the machine learning happens on the device itself. So just like any point and shoot, nothing leaves your device until you decide to save and share it. Now, as you can see, it's not just photos that Clips is taking. It's taking little snippets that capture the whole moment, that brings together the best of Google AI, software, and hardware. $249.
This year's Made by Google family. Thank you so much, and enjoy your day.